In front of me is Rhino 1 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section here called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now select Open under Google and click on Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on the password you wanna edit and enter your screen lock. Then hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!